One of these poor countries is the Philippines. A long time ago, the Philippines was richer than Singapore. Though it was still poor way back then, this country had the potential to be one of the richest. And believe me when I say that the Philippines should be as rich a country as Singapore today. But what happened? Believe me, if this nation has good governance with a zero to low rate of corruption, it will become one of the richest countries not only in Asia, but in the world. Every opportunity for wealth exists in the Philippines. From the abundance of natural resources to access to the ocean to a lot of tourist destinations, there are many skilled Filipinos, not only in this country but all over the world. And this country also has many citizens who can speak English. This country almost has the key to becoming a first world country, except for good governance. But having good governance will remain a dream if the people in this country keep electing corrupt and unworthy politicians. And you know, there was a time when the Philippine peso was almost equal to the US dollar. As of today, $1 US is equivalent to 55 to 56 Philippine pesos. But did you know that almost 60 years ago, around the presidency of Diosdado Macapagal, the exchange rate of peso to dollar was 2 to 1. It means that 2 Philippine pesos were equal to $1 US. But how does it matter though? Well, you see, the US dollar is the world currency, meaning this currency is the standard when you want to get the true value of every currency in the world. So, if your currency is nearly equal to the US dollar, it only means that it is almost as valuable as the US dollar itself. And that was the Philippine peso way back then. But that was short-lived. During the Marcos regime, its value sank from 2 pesos to 3.7 pesos against the dollar. And since then, the value of the peso has never recovered to its original value. So today, it reached 56 pesos per dollar. The Philippine currency gradually losing its value against the US dollar is a clear indication that this country is not progressing. The way to measure a country's wealth is by its GDP per capita.